Hello everyone, welcome to Senance. Today, I have my friends gave me the actual Nintendo Switch HDMI cable, but let's try it on Switch. Yes, I have my friend said, hey, you should try connect my Switch to the TV, but let's try it out. Actually, cannot. If you based on the spec, this one is I put an HDMI 4 on the TV and HDMI 4. Let's put it up. It just charged my console instead of going through the TV. But when I connect with my S22 Ultra right here, let's try connect it up. Did I put the correct HDMI? Yeah. Here we go. This one is it actually works on Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. See, I can do. It's very useful. I can do a mouse. I can go to Google. I can watch YouTube. Listen music YouTube music. Watching YouTube. Let's say I'm going to watch YouTube. Okay. Now I'm going to search my channel, my own channel. Oh, sorry about that. Senance. Okay, let's search it. And here we go. You can watch my videos like this. But it's in the tablet mode.
I'm going to show you some accessories for your Nintendo Switch Lite. Yes.
And wow, very blurry. Sorry about that.
First,
whoop!
I can show you this one.
I accidentally closed the app.
Yes, this one is like.
Hold on. I should change the quality of the video. On. Yeah. It automatically set to 360p. Let's set to 1080p. And let's play the video again one more time. Much better. See?
Like for pause, you can put on.
Yes. Nintendo Switch HDMI cable is working with S22 Ultra, but not working with Nintendo Switch Lite. And also, I also plug with the charger so it can charge my phone as well. See, I'm going to show you. Currently, it's charging 72%. And I have some controls like mobile data. I'm connecting to the Wi-Fi 5 GHz. And that's all for the video. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
The joystick.
Cut the video.